Alright guys, motor toys. So we were out here with the Talion on the 6S drag graphene. We're just going to do a little Halloween pass here. TP motor, Castle Electronics. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. I will, dude. Alright, let's look out for cars. Okay. Watch out for the reflectors. So she looks happy. Let's see what it says for speed here. I don't know that I got a clean pass. 93. So that was 93. I could have pushed it a little bit harder, but I mean the motor's not even warm. Like literally not even warm. Yeah. Alright, tell me when.
3, 2, 1, go.
Jesus, all that shit hit my face. I was gonna hook on this road, but let's see.
Want me to call it?
Yeah, call it.
3, 2, 1, go.